Spiritual seekers are very interesting because, on the one hand, they may have been attracted to more or less of a pop psychology language of oneness and love, and that's fine. And as they mature within their understanding, they ask deeper questions. They begin to ask the question of evil. They begin to ask questions about why things aren't the way they want them to be at all times. And theologians have really the beautiful training to be able to point in different directions and to be able to problematize and then problem solve as the journey people, the quest people, the people seeking some sort of spiritual direction are asking and discovering where they can go. And many in our faculty are engaged in the ongoing process of spiritual direction. And this, I think, is one of the great developments of the past 10 years or so within the Roman Catholic community. And we have a spiritual direction certificate program that is credentialed and actually counts toward our Master of Arts program here in theology. And it's an intensive with practitioners in the discipline of spiritual direction. And we attract people from a variety of denominations who spend an intensive 2 years at our center in Orange County learning about really the art of spiritual direction. And it includes, of course, world perspectives.